Assalamualaikum guys, Irfan back again with another video. And in this video, what we will look at is how can you download logos for companies off the internet and have them appear in your Excel worksheets. So let's get started. Supposing we have, let's set up a table here first. We have a table called name of, name of company and company logo. Okay, let me resize this so they actually fit. In fact, let's increase the font size a bit too. That's good enough. Okay, now here what we'll do is we'll have a list of companies, company names, and in this column here we'll have Excel grab the logo of that company and place it in front of the name. So let's see, Microsoft. Let's see, we have a company called Microsoft. We have Facebook. We have Google. Okay, let's get a couple of car companies: Ford, General Motors, Chrysler. That's good enough. Okay, so now what we need to do is we need to have Excel go and grab the logo for Microsoft and put it in this cell here. Then go and grab the logo for Facebook and put it in here. Now for this video, what we are going to be doing is we are going to be using a service of a company called Clearbit, and the name of the company is clearbit.com. And the URL that you'll be using is logo.clearbit.com/name of company .com. Okay. So if we use this, let's try doing here. It's now. The thing is, because we are pulling an image, we're going to use the image function in Excel. So we start by typing is equal to, and as soon as that I is going to bring in all the function that start with the letter I type M. Now it's narrowed down that list to just functions that start with IM, and we need to use the second one here, image. So double click and let me just enable this. Okay, so is equal to image, and now I put the bracket by itself. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to use this URL, but if you see the name of the company.com, so this is the name of the company, and we need to put .com and after the name of the company, but before that we need to put logo.clearbit.com. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll use the concatenate function for to add the .com and to add this to the list, to the string. So we have concat and open bracket. We put within the double quotes HTTPS : / logo.clearbit.com / and we close the inverted commas. So that's the first argument. The second argument is going to be the name of the company, and the third argument we're going to pass to the concatenate command function is .com close inverted, .com close inverted close bracket, and hit enter. Okay, now I think there's a mistake, there's a typo. That's because I opened two brackets here. I needed to close two. So it's saying, do you want to make two brackets at the end? Yes, I do. I need to make that correction. Now it's saying busy, and now it has gone and grabbed the logo for Microsoft, and we can just copy and paste this function down, for Facebook, Google, Ford, all those companies, and there you have it. You got the Facebook logo, you got the Google logo, Ford, General Motors, Chrysler, Toyota. So this is how you can grab the logos of companies, well-known companies, right off the internet and have them appear in your Excel sheet. If you like this video, please kindly give it a thumbs up. And if you would like to see more videos like this, please subscribe. Thank you.